Now what we need to do is get the curves in for our half pipe. So first of all, I'm going to draw a bit of a frame so I know where I'm going. So the construction line is down. I know that I'm going to be 23 millimeters down from there. So let's go find that. There we have it. And you can see that also leaves me up in line with this piece here, which is good. No harm to always double check as we're going along. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to again use the 23 millimeter circle, or the one that's on the isometric scale of 23. Pick out a couple points and we'll get our points in here to draw the circle and this one here. Now, what we'll do first is slice up our little arc. And then project back up to the horizontal axis. And now I can figure out where my points are. I could also go across, but actually, because the circle is symmetrical, the distance from there to there is the same as the distance from there to there. So now let's begin to mark things off. While I've got my 23 mil set up, I'm just going to mark off where the ends of each of these are going to be. There and there and there. That'll help me out, saves me having to do this all again. Now the next step is going to be coming in. So we will come into this one here. Okay, now, of course, because these are from the center is really there and there, we'll just put in another construction line. Across to there. That's one center. That's the other center, because I'm measuring off the 23 millimeter markers down there. Now, we'll do the two of them at the same time to save me having to reset the compass. Okay. So we'll go into the smaller marker right there, and we'll set that up. Now I should be able to figure out where all my points are. So this point and this point are going to connect, this point and this point are going to connect. And there's another one. There's a point. I'll draw the dots in as I go, again just to help me see where I'm going and not get confused. One there. Okay, so now I have 4 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and 4 here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's see, can we get a curve? So lots of short little strokes, nice and light, slowly getting heavier. few finishing touches along this side. There we go. Okay, that's one side of my half pipe. Now for the next part. So again, I'm going to leave a bit of a box for myself here. Now I know that height is already set up. So come across by here. Can come down there to that. Indeed, I can actually put that in as a finishing line. That height I can't pick up anywhere along this side, so I'm going to have to measure it. If we look at our drawing, we'll see it's 12 millimeters up. So let's find 12. There we go. That's the base there. Now I can see I have a problem here. That line goes too far down, and I can double check it by coming across from here and realizing that's where that point should be. If I look back, I can see the mistake. This face here is not on the far edge of the drawing. Well, this one is. So by getting them kind of confused and tracking from here across, I'm getting the wrong point. So again, just always watching and double checking. Coming across from here down, that is the point where my curve begins. I'll go back here and rub out that little section there. So I'm going to have a curve coming down from here. I can even see where it ends. I'll bring this across. So it's going to end there. And the other end of it is going to be right along this line. Which is great news because I only have 3 curves to draw instead of 4. There we go. And crawl across here and find the center of the arc, which is there. Okay. So just like before, pick out our 2 lengths. This one here. Mark it off. Then we go for the larger one. And connect the dots. There's one dot, there's another dot. Three, and of course 4 is at the very end. So now I'm just going to very gently draw in our curve. And that is our completed half pipe.